something new talaga dito is the internal redress mechanism. Ayan. So actually may template dito si DTI. So pwede nyo i-click yan and mada-download yung naka-Word file yon. So redress system mechanism lang how you handle if ever may mga consumer mga complaints, if ever may mga defect yung products ninyo, ano ba yung guidelines ninyo. So papakita ko yung sample dito ni DTI. So, 'pag i-click niyo 'yun, ito yung sample na ginawa ng DTI. So, madali lang siya because you need to change lang ito like the name of the company and then type of business ninyo, lagay niyo diyan. So, ayan, we are committed to the nakalagay diyan yung mga kailangan niyo i-comply. And ito yung important dito is ito yung ito talaga yung gusto nila is if ever may mga complaints yung customers ninyo, how would they reach you? Ayan, so dapat nyo ilagay dyan ano yung mga social media page ninyo, online platform, yung chat, paano ba yun kayo i-contact, email, ayan, messaging apps. And ito na din may complaint form dito the Annex A. Ito yung important din. And just read through if applicable sa inyo. And you can change naman if ever what is applicable sa inyo or what you think is more ano sa inyo, ina-apply ninyo sa inyong business. So ayan, if you think, example 24 hours, yan, i-acknowledge ninyo yung receipt ng complaint, ganun, ma-resolve within 7 calendar days. So depende sa inyo. So ayan. So yung Annex A, ito yung kanilang ginawa na Annex A, the customer complaint form. So nakalagay diyan ano yung name ng customers, ano yung complaint nila. So ayan, basically pwede nyo lang palitan talaga yung yan, the business name and the contact details niyo and you are good to go.